Hi, here I will show you how to change the battery for Mercedes B Class, which is located right here on the passenger side, right here below. So just remove this cap here and you have direct access to the battery. To remove the battery itself, you just need to remove those bolts. You can see them here and here. After that, this piece comes off and the battery comes loose. Just like so. So now I need to disconnect those connectors here. I already loosened them here. This is one, and that's two. Now the battery is loose and you can just take it out. And there it comes out like this. I have here my new battery. What I actually did, I took the old one to the local parts store, and I asked them to test it. They tested for free. So the test is not good, the battery is bad, and I just decided to buy the other one. And I'm going to place it now back to its place. Put it in just like this. You have plus connector here, you can see it there, and you have minus connector right there. I will show it to you later. This is the plus, minus. You can't do it wrong. I'll take those caps off. You just need to connect plus connector to plus and minus to minus, like so. And don't forget, there is a ventilation hose here. You should put it in a special hole there to ventilate the vapors of the battery. Like so. Now we take this plastic back to its place. And the battery isn't going anywhere. Now just put this cover back its place, like so. This one goes in there, like so. So as you can see, I did this all with one hand. Nothing difficult. Don't be afraid to do it yourself.